How to turn on or off slide to type on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, scroll down and find the Keyboard option and tap on it. This section allows you to customize various keyboard settings, including auto-correction, predictive text, and typing styles. On the Keyboards page, scroll down to find and tap the toggle next to Slide to Type to turn it on. Slide to Type allows you to type by sliding your finger from one letter to the next without lifting it. To disable it, tap the toggle switch again to turn it off. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off the Slide to Type feature on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.